welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be a quick product review. This is one of my favorite little gadgets that I have found. This is the XYKEEY tube squeezer. As you can see, they are available in several different colors to meet your preference, but these are awesome, and I just love the way they're designed. I'm going to show you how they work. So you have the key here, and you have the squeezer here, and I'm going to take this tube of Kong peanut butter, and it's really easy, whether it's a tube of toothpaste or whatever. You just slide it into that slot. Then you start twisting up, and that's about all you have to do. And then you push it into the squeezer, and you can see it pushes into the squeezer. And now as you twist, you can see it squeezes it all up in there. See, look at that. Now that's as much as I can squeeze it right now, and it's great. What's also cool is when you have it in there, it sits straight up, so you no longer have to have like a tube of toothpaste or whatever laying all over, taking up counter space like that, because it sits up straight. So it has a kind of a double purpose, but a really simple product, but ingenious. We have a bunch of these all over our house. We use them in the kitchen, we use them in the bathroom for toothpaste, and they just work really great. So again, it's XYKEEY is the name of the company that makes these. Really, really awesome product, available in lots of different colors. Great for to grab some for yourself. Also great as a gift, because a lot of people don't know these exist, but they will be impressed because it just works really great. Really excellent product by XYKEEY. Definitely one of my favorite products, and a product that I would highly, highly recommend.